Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the items that we will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Remember, I am using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, guys, like I said earlier, in the morning, I analyzed this and I said this will be selling more once it breaks out from here. So as you can see, it broke out and of course it is selling, and it is still selling at the moment, because if we should go to 1 hour time frame, we have a lot of profits to milk right from there. Okay, you can see all these are free range, guys, free range. So this is still going to give us more profits. Okay, um it should get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. So guys, open your eyes and take advantage of it. Okay, and of course next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so this is GainX 999, just the way we are saying this. I actually gave out signal on um this particular asset in the Telegram channel, and of course it's going as planned. Okay, so as you can see, it is selling also. Okay, it is selling also, and of course that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, I can take it to 1 hour time frame just to have a better look at it. So you can see it has achieved TP1 and of course TP2. It has also achieved TP2. It's heading towards TP3. Okay, it had a pullback. It will go back down and see if it can achieve this. And if it breaks out from here, we have free money to milk from here also. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, except if it's unable to break out from that support zone, that is when it will not sell more. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1002. This is Paynex 1002. This actually went on uptrend, got to this resistance, it was unable to break out above it, so it had a pullback. And of course, if it's unable to break out above it, then definitely it's going to sell. But for now, the downtrend signal is yet to pop out. Once it pops out, then we are most likely to have it selling. Okay, for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out fully. Okay, that is when it's going to sell. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999, and of course this got to this support region. I drew out this trend line in the morning. I said if it broke out from it, it's going to buy, and as you can see, it is buying. And I also dropped the signal in the Telegram channel. Okay, and it has achieved the first TP, second TP, I mean the first and second TP, heading towards the third and the fourth TP. Okay, so that's so amazing. So this is still buying at the moment, so we should take note of that and take advantage of the opportunity. Now, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out. This is FX volume 80. Got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. So it has been selling since then, and it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. So we have free range right here to milk. Okay, so once it breaks out from here, guys, once it breaks out from, sorry, okay, let me use this. Once it breaks out fully from here, then it's going to sell. We are free ranging our area at this spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. So you can always take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so this is also selling right now. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to have a better understanding of how it works, and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, so if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.